Hey, are you tired of seeing the same boring wallpaper every time someone calls you on your Samsung phone? Well, guess what? Today, I'm going to show you how to change your call background into something way cooler. And yes, you can even use a video. So, here's how you do it. First, open up the phone app on your Samsung, then tap the three dots in the top right corner and head over to Settings. Now, select Call Background. Choose whether you want to set it for SIM 1 or SIM 2, totally up to you. After that, hit the background button at the bottom and tap on Gallery. Here's the fun part. You can pick any picture or even a video from your gallery. If you want, you can also turn on the option Use Video Sound as Ringtone, but that's totally optional. Once you're happy with your choice, just tap Set as Call Background, and boom, you've got yourself a fresh new look for your call screen. Oh, and don't forget, you can repeat the same steps if you want to set a different background for your other SIM card. Pretty cool, right? Now, every time you get a call, it won't look boring anymore. If you found this tip helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more simple Samsung tricks. Catch you in the next one.